If you own a Can-Am Ryker and want a better way to organize your glove box, we have the perfect solution. Introducing the EvolutionR Premium Glovebox Organizer. Designed specifically for the factory Ryker glove box, this organizer adds 3 dedicated storage pockets to keep your everyday essentials organized and within easy reach. It features 2 upper nylon mesh pockets with elastic retention bands for frequently used items. Beneath them is a concealed lower pocket with a Velcro flap, providing a discreet place to keep smaller valuables tucked away. It's constructed from durable 1680D polyester fabric and features a full hook and loop backing for maximum adhesion and stability. Installation couldn't be easier. First, separate the backside from the organizer. Then clean the surface area with the included alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Then use the adhesion promoter on the same surface area and allow that to dry as well. Peel back a small section of the protective film and align the pre-cut backing into position. Press that section firmly into place. Then continue removing the protective film while pressing it down until it's fully secured. Now you can mount your new organizer. Once installed, you'll have a cleaner, more organized way to store and access your smaller everyday items inside your Ryker's glove box. To pick one up for your Can-Am Ryker, head over to SlingMods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.